Have you ever tried to paint the tiniest detail on a miniature or solder a wire no thicker than a hair and found yourself squinting, leaning in, wishing you had superhuman vision? I've been there, and that's when I discovered something pretty amazing. Magnifying lamps. Not just any lamps, though. I'm talking about Neatfi magnifying lamps. Sleek, sturdy, and packed with features, but also a bit confusing at first. What does 5D mean? What's the difference between 8 diopter and 20 diopter? And why does it even matter? Let me show you. A diopter is a fancy word, but the idea is simple. It's the strength of the lens, how much it bends light to help you see closer. Think of it like zoom levels on a camera. The higher the diopter number, the stronger the magnification. Here's the breakdown. A 5 diopter lens gives you about 2.25 times magnification. 8D brings it to 3 times magnification. And 20D, that's a whopping 6 times magnification. Each level gets you a clearer, closer view, but it also narrows your field of vision. So choosing the right one, that depends on what you're doing. Let me show you what I mean. If you're a crafter or painter, like me, a 5D lens is your best friend. It gives you that extra clarity without feeling like you're working under a microscope. Now, my friend Alice runs a nail studio. She uses an 8D lamp every day. It helps her get precise, clean work without straining her eyes. Then there's Brad. He repairs phones and tiny electronics. For him, that 20D inset lens is gold. He's literally working with components smaller than a grain of rice. Different jobs, different lenses, same result, clarity where it counts. Now here's where Neatfi really shines. Some of their lamps come with bifocal lenses. That means you get a big 5D lens for most of your work and a small 20D circle embedded inside for those ultra-close tasks. Switching focus is as easy as glancing down, and it's not just about the lens. These lamps are built smart. Flicker-free LEDs, adjustable brightness, flexible arms that hold exactly where you place them, no buzzing, no shadows, no eye strain. You're not just lighting your workspace, you're upgrading the way you work. So how do you choose the right lens? Ask yourself, what kind of work are you doing? How long will you be looking at small details? Do you need a wide view or precision on tiny parts? Here's a good rule of thumb. 5D equals great for daily tasks. Crafting, sewing, reading. 8D equals perfect for detail-focused jobs. Beauty work, fine art, model building. 20D equals when precision is everything. Inspection, repair, skin analysis. Start with what you need most. You can always move up as your projects get more detailed. At the end of the day, magnification isn't about fancy numbers. It's about seeing your work the way it deserves to be seen. Clear, comfortable, confident. That's what the right magnifying lamp can do for you. And that's why I recommend Neatfi. If this helped you understand diopters better, give the video a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart lighting tips. And hey, let me know in the comments. What do you use your lamp for? Thanks for watching. See what matters. See it clearly.